In front of me is DOOGEE V30 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone at the bottom. Then click on device name over here and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, select OK in device name pop-up, and then also OK in the second one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my DOOGEE has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!